Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says s equals 1 square plus 2 square times 1 by 5 plus 3 square times 1 by 5 square plus 4 square times 1 by 5 cube plus 5 square times 1 by 5 to the power 4 plus dot dot dot. Suppose this is tending till infinity. So, how will you respond? You know that this question doesn't belong to AP family, GP, HP. Now, this question is falling in AGP. If you'll observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's AP, then 1 by 5, 1 by 5 square, 1 by 5 cube, 1 by 5 power 4. So it is GP. Okay, so it is AGP. Don't worry about the squares, cubes. Okay, it's okay. Now, what we are suggested to do, we have to find out the common ratio. If you'll observe, you'll find out that 1 by 5 is the common ratio. So, what you have to do, you have to multiply by 1 by 5 and you have to write down the first term below the second term. So, suppose common ratio is 1 by 5. So, can I write s by 5 equals 1 square times 1 by 5, 2 square times 1 by 5 square, 3 square times 1 by 5 cube, 4 square times 1 by 5 power 4. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to do the subtraction till we get proper GP. So let's do the subtraction. A minus B. So we got 4s by 5. Now 1 square is 1 plus. So you will take 1 by 5 common. You will be left with 2 square minus 1 square. So a square minus b square. So can I write a plus b, a minus b? So a plus b is 3. Can I write 3 times 1 by 5 plus 5 times 1 by 5 square plus 7 times 1 by 5 cube plus 9 times 1 by 5 power 4. Okay, now if you'll observe, it is not proper GP. Okay, so again what we have to do, we have to handle this series. So if you'll observe, it is again AGP. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, and then you will have 1 by 5, 1 by 5 square, 1 by 5 cube. These are in GP. So it is AGP. So what we have to do, we have to multiply by common ratio and we have to write down the first term below second term. So if you'll observe, you will find out that the first term is, the common ratio is 1 by 5. So can I write 4s by 25? It will become 1 time 1 by 5 plus 3 time 1 by 5 square plus 5 time 1 by 5 cube plus 7 time 1 by 5 power 4 plus dot dot dot. So it is D. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to multiply, we have to subtract C minus D. If you observe, the below is 25, so we will make 25. So 20 minus 4. Okay, so 20 minus 4 is 16s by 25, and then we are done. So 1 plus 2 times 1 by 5 plus 2 times 1 by 5 square, 2 times 1 by 5 cube, 2 times 1 by 5 power 4 dot dot dot. Okay, now if you'll observe from this part, it's an proper GP, correct? So you can handle this situation. So 16s by 25 equals 1 plus a by 1 minus r. Now again simplify things. 1 plus 2 by 5 times 5 by 4. This thing gone, this thing gone. So we will have 3 by 2. So this, no, nothing will go. So S will become what? 75 by 32. So this is our required value, 75 by 32. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.